Okay, so we're trying to steal our neighbor's trash can because they kind of stole ours. And I'm in a tree right now, as you can see. It's not a very good surrounding for my new camera. But anyway, here's JoJo stealing a trash can. Yeah, sure.
Are you sure they're not home?
I'm sure there's no cars in the driveway, see?
Yeah, but what if one of them parked in the garage?
Well, then that's too bad. You gotta speak up.
Oh, but what if they hear me?
Uh-oh, car, take cover. Sorry, guys. It's kind of hard to... Ooh, duck. Look at the ducky. Well, we came... Ooh, she got the trash can. She has a trash can. I repeat, she has a trash can. The shoes are off. She's running down the street with the trash can. The duck is flying. She has a trash can. JoJo, come back! I can't see you anymore! And she's out of range. Well, that was JoJo the trash man stealing.